Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim free car in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This tutorial is especially for you who are still beginner in Heartopia, just in case if you don't know how to get the car. Okay, the step is very simple and it's free. You need to go to the event menu and go to the 7-day sign in. And basically, you don't need to do anything to get the car. You just need to make sure that you claim the reward from day 1 until day 7. And on day 7, you'll be able to claim this White Sedan. Sign in for a total of 7 days to claim this car. And I've already claimed the reward for day 3. So tomorrow I need to go back and claim reward for day 4. And yeah, that's very simple. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the car in Heartopia game for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.